weekly update of what's going on at Friday Night Fridge and Monday Night Fuel. On Monday Night Fuel this week, it's the last time we're doing C2 Day, going downtown and feeding the homeless. That's right, come on out and feed the homeless. It's the last time you can do it this year. Friday Night Fridge is going to be the second night of the Summer Games competition. Team Heather or Team Daryl, come try out for your team, do the best that you possibly can. You want to know what else? We got some crazy summer stuff going on for the kids too. Now where's Cindy? We're going to find Cindy again.
Oh, got the grant.
She's so busy.
Yeah.
She doesn't know if she's got the grant. That's great. Cut. Cindy's off the phone now. We can go interview her. Hey, Cindy, what do you got going on for summer fun this year?
We have got amazing things going on for summer fun. We have some of the same things, some of the amazing same things like leader hunts all throughout the church. Lots of hide and seek, lots of great games inside and out. Great field trips. It's pretty hard to improve on something that's so great.
And how can people get involved in summer fun?
They can register already. The registration forms are on our webpage. Kids Club, download it and send it in.
All right, you heard that. Look at her office. You know that she's working hard to get summer fun going ready for you kids. So remember, Monday night, last C2 Day. Friday night, it's going to be the second time of summer games, and then summer fun. Register, get signed up for that great month of July. Goodbye.